Yeah, Mom, I know. But I'm just an intern for now. You know what? Yeah, I'm a warrior. Okay, just a sec, I'll call you back.
Dave?
No, this is Dan.
Who's Dan?
Dan is me.
Okay, where's Dave?
He's,
I shouldn't have had that 7th burrito.
processing some data at the moment.
Well, our main client is asking for a stress analysis for Monday.
Dave will have it to you for Monday. Bye. Dave must have forgotten. But I'm a warrior, and I will save his
Are you
ass.
still there? Sarah, I just talked to the intern.
Tim?
Don't know, don't care. He was awkward. And I really need those stress tests.
I will launch a simulation on the platform. Not big deal.
Well, is your hardware powerful enough?
It's done remotely on the cloud, real time. It is powerful, it works on weekend and never complains. Just like me.
Yeah, right.
It has taken me hours of work, but it is finally complete. What? Fine. Finally, I can show the others what I'm made of. Show them that I am a warrior engineer. Stress simulation number 8, go! Thanks to Simula, the stress test was delivered on time. Dan broke his arm. His homemade test was useless because there was a third update right when he jumped. Dave swore he wouldn't touch a burrito again, but lasted about a week. With the 3D Experience platform on the cloud, any engineer can use simulation in their product development to ensure performance, reduce costs, and get products to market faster.